Today we explore Godot versus Ren'Py, two popular game engines. Choosing the right engine can transform how you create games efficiently without unnecessary complexity. Godot offers versatility, while Ren'Py specializes in visual novels. Godot and Ren'Py serve different game development needs. Godot is a general-purpose engine supporting various genres, while Ren'Py focuses on narrative-driven visual novels. The core difference lies in Godot's flexibility versus Ren'Py's specialized storytelling tools. Godot is a free, open-source game engine designed for creating 2D and 3D games. It uses a scene-based architecture with an intuitive editor and supports multiple programming languages, including GDScript, C. Godot's workflow allows developers to build complex gameplay mechanics, physics, and animations with ease. Its strengths include cross-platform deployment, a lightweight footprint, and an active community providing extensive plugins and tutorials. However, Godot's flexibility can present a learning curve for beginners, especially when dealing with 3D projects or advanced scripting. It's ideal for developers seeking a versatile engine to create a wide range of games, from platformers to RPGs, or even experimental projects. Godot excels when you want full control over game logic and visuals without licensing fees or restrictions. For teams or solo developers aiming for customizability and scalability, Godot provides a robust foundation. Ren'Py is a specialized open-source engine tailored for visual novels and interactive storytelling. It uses a simple scripting language based on Python, making it accessible to writers and developers focused on narrative design rather than complex programming. Ren'Py handles dialogue, branching storylines, character sprites, and multimedia integration with minimal setup. Its strengths lie in ease of use, rapid prototyping, and built-in tools for managing choices and story flow. Limitations include a narrower scope, as it's not suited for action or physics-heavy games, and less flexibility in creating non-linear gameplay mechanics. Ren'Py is perfect for authors, indie developers, and storytellers who want to bring branching narratives and character-driven experiences to life without deep coding knowledge. If your project centers on rich storytelling with visual and audio elements, Ren'Py offers a streamlined, efficient solution focused on narrative immersion. Comparing Godot and Ren'Py highlights distinct use cases. Godot excels in projects requiring diverse gameplay elements, such as platformers, puzzles, or 3D environments, offering extensive customization and multi-genre support. It demands more development experience but rewards with flexibility and performance. Ren'Py shines in visual novel creation, enabling quick development of branching stories with minimal coding. It simplifies narrative management but cannot handle complex gameplay or 3D graphics. For example, a developer wanting a story-driven RPG with combat would benefit from Godot's versatility, while a writer crafting a choice-based romance game would find Ren'Py's tools more efficient. The trade-off is between Godot's broad capability and Ren'Py's focused ease of use. Choosing depends on your project's goals, technical skills, and desired gameplay complexity. Choose Godot if you need a flexible engine for diverse game types, with full control over mechanics and visuals across 2D and 3D projects. Opt for Ren'Py when your focus is narrative-driven visual novels or interactive stories, prioritizing ease of use and rapid development. Both engines excel in their domains, so select based on your project's core needs and your development experience.